HUF has captivated us once again with its upcoming Nike Dunk release. Iconic, yes. Customizable, yes. Detailed, definitely. They're releasing on November 16, 2022, and here's everything you need to know. What's up, everybody? As always, I hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. If you're new here, I'm Jordan, a sneaker collector local to the Las Vegas area, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the HUF Dunks. I'm super excited for this release. It's going to be hard, but I have some hope that me and you will be able to cop. We're going to be talking about the drop details. We're going to be looking at videos of the sneakers and resale prices. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so you have all the information needed to make a knowledgeable purchase of these. Let's get it. HUF is celebrating its 20th anniversary, and for its monumental milestone, they are releasing 3 Nike Dunks: a San Francisco colorway, a New York colorway, and a Friends and Family colorway. The NYC pair represents where the founder of HUF, Keith Hufnagel, was born and raised, New York City. The San Francisco pair is the first place that HUF opened a store, and it opened up in 2002. The last is a Friends and Family exclusive. Pairs are going for double retail right now, and while resale prices aren't astronomical, they are going to be hard to get. Before we get into how these are going to release, let's go ahead and look at some of the specs, and let me show you a video I took of these at SneakerCon Las Vegas. NYC Dunk will have the colors white/vast gray-midnight navy. The style code will be FD8775-100. Price is $130. Getting into the San Francisco pair, color will be black/vast gray-white. Style code will be FD8775-001. Retail price will also be $130. Now, the HUF Friends and Family pair, colors are going to be anthracite/electric green-medium gray. Style code will be FD8775-002. There's no specific release date listed on Sneaker Bar Detroit, but the retail price on these will also be $130. Nike has confirmed they will be dropping these via sneakers, and it will be a draw. Now, things get really interesting here. On the day of release, you aren't entering for NYC or SF, you're entering for a HUF Dunk. They will ship it out in a mystery bag, and then you will know which pair you get when they arrive at your door. I can see how some people are gonna like this, I can see how some people are not gonna like this, but I think it's pretty fun that Nike did this. I also want to share with you guys these videos of the superficial layers being removed. Let's check them out. My personal opinion, I feel with the white layer removed, it adds character to this shoe. While I haven't held these in hand, I feel like the quality is going to surprise you guys. These are a very unique shoe, and I think the resale price they're sitting for right now is fair. Obviously, we'd all love to hit these for retail. Hopefully you guys are able to get a pair of these, and I would love to hit on a pair of these as well. I think they are very cool. I love the customizable aspect of them, and you don't just have to remove the whole leather panel. You can make specific cuts into it, whether it be stars, lightning bolts, hearts, whatever you want. I feel like it doesn't have to be the whole leather panel. I would like to try that out and see how that looks. If you guys win them and decide to cut them up, make sure to tag me. I don't know how you can tag on YouTube, but feel free to tag me on Instagram in your stories or your posts. My Insta is @JordanInVegas. I'll pop it up right there. The sneakers app is always hard, so I'm wishing you guys the best of luck on the drop day. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure to. I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you're a sneakerhead. I'm a sneakerhead too. This whole channel revolves around sneakers, so consider subscribing. We always have a ton of content coming out, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure to check out the Poshmark, the link is in bio, and the Insta @KickedOutLV for some sneakers and streetwear. We are gonna have some Black Friday deals going up on the Insta, so make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day, and I'm wishing you the best of luck for the drop. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.
We outside.
Schmoopies. A lot of people debate on what the best sneaker ever. Is it the Air Jordan 1? Is it the Kobe 6? Is it the Yeezy 350? No, it's not. I'm about to show you the best shoe ever. Pay attention too, cause this is a shoe you get. You gotta walk a certain way. Now I know what you're thinking, but trust me, Sasquatch 11s.